Hello everyone, and welcome to another hotel tour. Today, I'll be sharing a walkthrough and my experience staying at Deface Platinum Suites in Kuala Lumpur. The property has two towers, Platinum 1 and Platinum 2 buildings. Both buildings are 51 stories tall. Many apartments in both the towers are converted into hotel units. The lobby featured a sleek, modern design with a clean and inviting atmosphere that immediately set a positive tone. The staff at reception were courteous and professional, ensuring a smooth and efficient check-in process that made me feel welcome from the moment I arrived. My unit was a one-bedroom apartment. It included a spacious living area, kitchen, bathroom, and laundry facilities. The living room was spacious and tastefully decorated, creating a comfortable and stylish atmosphere. A dining table was positioned by the window, offering a lovely view of the city skyline. The living area also featured a 43-inch smart TV, perfect for relaxing with streaming content after a day of exploring the city. If you are new to this channel, then do support us by subscribing to this channel for more updates. The living space was furnished with a nicely cushioned sofa, adding extra comfort for lounging and relaxing. The apartment had fast, reliable Wi-Fi. Streaming and uploading content for my vlog worked without delays. The apartment had strict rules prohibiting smoking and the consumption of durian fruit to maintain cleanliness and comfort for all guests. Beautiful ambient lighting throughout the apartment added warmth and elegance, enhancing the overall relaxing atmosphere. The kitchen was fully equipped with all the essential amenities and appliances needed for a comfortable stay. It featured a stove, refrigerator, microwave, electric kettle, and a full set of utensils, making it easy to prepare meals just like at home. I also had a washing machine with dryer. This was especially useful during my multi-day city stay in Kuala Lumpur. If you've enjoyed the video so far, don't forget to hit the like button to support us and help the channel grow. The hotel is centrally located in the KLCC area, placing major attractions and shopping destinations within easy reach. I stayed here for 2 nights and had a truly enjoyable experience throughout my visit. This apartment doesn't offer breakfast, but there are a few cafes nearby serving delicious local and Western dishes. Alternatively, you can prepare your own meals in the fully equipped kitchen. It had a large double-door refrigerator that provided ample space for storing groceries and beverages throughout the stay. The apartment spans over 750 square feet, providing ample space for a comfortable and relaxing stay. There was extra storage space in the hallway leading to the bedroom, providing convenient room for luggage and personal items. The bedroom was cozy and elegantly designed, with warm lighting, tasteful decor, and a soothing color palette that created a relaxing ambience. The bedroom also featured a 42-inch smart TV, perfect for unwinding with your favorite shows or movies from the comfort of the bed. The mattress was extremely comfortable, offering the perfect balance of softness and support for a restful night's sleep. Paired with high-quality linens and fluffy pillows, it made drifting off after a long day feel effortless. A built-in cupboard in the bedroom housed convenient essentials, including an iron with ironing board, a hair dryer, and a secure safe locker for valuables. The room featured soft ambient lighting that created a warm and relaxing atmosphere, perfect for unwinding in the evenings. After spending my days exploring the vibrant streets of Kuala Lumpur, I slept soundly each night, thanks to the quiet atmosphere and the exceptionally comfortable bed. The bedroom windows offered stunning skyline views, showcasing iconic Kuala Lumpur landmarks right from the comfort of the bed. From the comfort of my bedroom window, I was treated to a magnificent view of the KL Tower shining brightly in the early morning light, its iconic structure standing tall amidst the bustling cityscape awakening below, creating a perfect blend of serenity and urban energy that set the tone for an inspiring day ahead. The bathroom was impressively spacious and impeccably clean, featuring a modern design with sleek marble surfaces. It offered ample room to move around, making it feel more like a private spa than a typical hotel bathroom. The bathroom featured a sophisticated black and white marble combination, adding a timeless elegance and luxurious feel to the space. Fresh toiletries and soft towels were replenished daily, ensuring a comfortable and convenient stay. Everything needed for comfort and hygiene was already included there. The rooftop pool offers unparalleled panoramic views of Kuala Lumpur's most iconic landmarks, with the majestic Petronas Twin Towers standing clearly in sight, creating a breathtaking backdrop that truly elevates the experience. The rooftop pool tends to get quite crowded during the evening hours, so I recommend visiting during the daytime for a more peaceful and relaxing experience while enjoying the spectacular views. If you have enjoyed this video, then do hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.